I'm going to show you how to buy Chronos in the Phantom Wallet app. Now, all you need to do is you first open up the Phantom Wallet and you just need to log in, make sure it's up to date, obviously. And to actually buy it, what you want to do is you click on the buy option on the right side of the screen, and you can actually see these are all of the most popular available tokens you can buy directly. But if we want to buy something that's not direct, which is Chronos, for example, what you want to do is you need to buy $10 of Ethereum or Solana. I'm just going to do Ethereum for this scenario. And once you buy this, you can buy with your credit card or debit card or any of these other currencies, and you'll have $10 in your Phantom Wallet app. Where from here, what you do is you click on the search bar in the top right hand corner of the screen, where you can type in Chronos like so, and you can actually click on it, view the data for it, and we'll just click on the swap option right here. And you can swap however much Ethereum you have for however much Chronos you would like to receive. If you want to receive 23 of them, you can see I'm swapping 0.001 Ethereum. And then you click on where it says insignificant funds for me, but that'll say purchase, and you'll have